Hello and welcome back to this lecture series on signals and systems. In the previous parts, we concluded on continuous time signal. So in this particular one, we are going to be looking at continuous time systems. So in this, we are going to be looking at the different continuous time systems that we have. And we are going to be looking at seven of them. And then we are going to be looking at each and every one of them in terms of their definitions and their differences. So if you are new here or you missed the previous parts of these videos, of this lecture series, you can check the playlist on signals and system. You find all of the videos under that particular playlist. So, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly take out time to click on that subscribe button. You see a red box here with subscribe somewhere here on the lower side of your, at the lower right of your screen. So kindly click on it to subscribe to the channel. Alright, so thank you very much if you have just done that. So now let's get into it, continuous time systems. So like I said, we are going to be looking at 7 of them. So the first one we are going to be looking at is the linear system. So on number 2, we are going to be looking at time invariant system. On our number 3, we are going to be looking at causal system. So don't forget, we also have causal signal. So on number 4, we are going to look at stable system. So what do we mean when a system is stable? We are going to be looking at that. On number 5, we have the memory and memoryless system. On number 6, we have the invertible and then the last one we are going to be talking about is the step and impulse responses. So these are the 7 different systems that we are going to be looking at under the continuous time system. So in the next part of this video, we are going to be looking at each and every one of them one after the other, like I said, in terms of their definition. So that will be all for this particular video, and then we'll continue in the next one. Thank you.